going into communities, measuring what works, and then taking that data and using it to justify additional investment in mental health services, whether that's from government, private sector, philanthropists, and so forth. So with that information in mind, the Meadows Foundation voted to establish the Institute in January of 2013 with the $10 million grant that Sharon mentioned, and then they spent the rest of the 2013 putting together a business plan and then hiring staff. Meadows was very fortunate to be able to recruit Mr. Tom Luce to the CEO's role. Some of you may know Tom. He actually ran for governor back in the early 90s, built one of the most successful law firms in the state, and he has been a leader in education reform for decades, going back to the mid-1980s and some of the education reform efforts that Ross Perot was associated with. Mr. Perot was Tom Luce's major client at that time. And that's where I actually